Hello everyone and welcome to Devcast. So in this video we are going to have a look at the plugins that are must have for your WordPress website. So after you have developed your WordPress website, to add some features to your WordPress website or to add some functionalities to your WordPress website, you are going to need plugins. And in this video I'm going to suggest you with 7 most must have plugins for your WordPress website. Okay, so without any further ado, let's move on to our first plugin in the list. And this first plugin is going to be, so I have prepared a video for this purpose in order to demonstrate this thing. So the first plugin in this case is going to be the Rank Math SEO plugin. So this Rank Math SEO plugin helps in improving the SEO for your WordPress website. It helps in telling you about the health of your website and what else you can do to improve the rankings of your website. This particular plugin also helps you in a variety of ways to improve the performance of your website. So mostly people use Yoast SEO plugin, but I would suggest opt for Rank Math SEO because Yoast SEO plugin is a little bit older, I think, and Rank Math SEO is a far more uh, you know in its updated version at the moment. And also in terms of the features, I would suggest that Yoast SEO, the sort of features that Yoast SEO has for its Pro, for its Pro package, those sort of those sort of paid features are available for free in Rank Math. From my industry experience in the SEO industry, in the digital marketing industry, I can tell you that Rank Math SEO plugin is going to do wonders for your website. So this plugin is a must-have plugin for your WordPress website. So without any further ado, let's move on to our next plugin. So the next plugin is going to be custom CSS, and this is one of my favorite plugin and probably the most useful plugin for all the developers out there. Because if you want to adopt some, if you want to use some, custom styles for your WordPress website, if you want to implement some custom features, style related features for your WordPress website, then this custom CSS plugin is going to do wonders for your WordPress website. Whatever style related changes you want to make to your website, you can do that with the help of this custom CSS plugin. Let's move on to our next plugin. So the next plugin is going to be the pop-up maker plugin. I am telling you, this particular plugin is actually a game changer in terms of your lead conversions, in terms of lead generation, in terms of, sorry for that, this has sprang up for some odd reasons. So yes, so this can do wonders for your lead conversions and for lead generations. The pop-up maker plugin also helps in creating additional dialog boxes. Like if I come to my website and I take you to my TrainerX, uh, yes, to my TrainerX web page over here, you will see that I have these courses over here. Once I click on no more, you will be able to see that this thing is going to pop up. So see, this is going to pop up. So this is done with the help of this pop-up maker plugin that I am showing you over here. So this kind of feature you can add to your website with the help of the pop-up maker plugin. And trust me, this is going to do wonders for your website in terms of lead conversion. Okay, so let's move on to our next slide after this. So next up on our list is going to be the KK Star plugin. KK Star ratings plugin. So with the help of this plugin, you can add ratings to your website. You might have wondered that in some of the websites you see some sort of ratings out there, and in blogs this is very much visible. Whether it's about rating recipes or whether it's about rating the uh, whether it's about rating a particular blog post. So that is being done with the help of this KK Star ratings plugin. So I'm going to show it to you in my website. I have only used it. So in my website, you are going to see this mostly in my blogs section. So in my blog section, you will be able to see. So you will see that just a minute. I think it's there. So as you can see, so if I want to rate it now, I can rate it right now, but I don't want to rate my own post. This is the star rating functionality that is being added to my website, to my blog, with the help of this KK star ratings plugin. So this is some feature that this is a similar kind of feature you can add to your own website, and it will help in ranking your posts really better in the search engine results. So I mean, it doesn't guarantee the ranking of your posts in a proper way in the search engine's results page, but yes, it adds as a signal of trust. It builds credibility for your post in eyes of Google. So you can obviously opt for this ratings plugin and use it uh, in your blog posts, in your if you have a recipe related website, you can also use it over there. Okay, so this is the case KK Star plugin. This is done with the help of the KK Star plugin. Okay, now let's move on to our next plugin. So the next plugin in our list is going to be widgets for Google reviews. So this is very essential for your websites, for all the local businesses out there who have developed their website in WordPress. This plugin helps in ranking their websites properly, and not only that, it helps in building trust among the visitors of the website, visitors to the website, people who visit your website. This particular plugin will help in increasing their trust towards your website, towards the products and services that you sell. In fact, in my case also, I have used it. Let me see, let me get rid of this first of all. I think I have used it in my web development services. Yeah. So as you can see, so this is the plugin. So all my customer ratings are over here. So this is mainly because of the uh, Google reviews, widgets for Google reviews plugin. And you can try this out obviously. And I would suggest that for local businesses who have developed a website on WordPress, they should use this plugin in their website in order to build trust amongst their customers, amongst their prospects. Okay, so now let's move on to our uh, next plugin. So the next plugin is going to be this add to any plugin. Well, this plugin is used for sharing your posts, sharing your website content in the user's own social media platforms. I have this installed in one of my clients website. Over here, as you can see, this is one of my clients website. So this is the add to any plugin. This is appearing because of the one to add to any plugin, sorry for that. So with the help of this plugin, you can share this particular website anywhere in your own social media page. I mean, the users can come to this particular website and they can share this website in their own social media page. Like if I click on Facebook, so it is now asking me for a for a sign up. But if I had already signed up in this particular machine in Facebook, this website would be shared instantly on Facebook. So with the help of this plugin, you can achieve this kind of feature. Okay, and use it on your website. So now let's move on to our next plugin. So next on our list is going to be easy table of contents. So this is another particular plugin that is very important for blogs, blogs who the content of which is really massive, and it needs to be properly managed. For those blogs, easy table of contents is going to be a great way of helping the users navigate through their blog post properly. I'm going to show an example to you. This has been used is in one of my clients website. As you can see, if I come over here, you can see this table of contents over here. So he has this all this particular sections in his own blog post, and navigating to through this say different section in the blog post is going to prove to be a little bit tiresome for most of the users. So he has inserted this table of contents, by which if they click on this particular content, they will move to the immediate section immediately. So that is the feature that can be achieved with the help of this plugin. You can use this in your website, especially for blogs. I would suggest, in fact, blogs with massive content, I will suggest uh, using this particular plugin. So this brings us to the end of our video. Okay, and I hope you have enjoyed this video. I hope I am being able to share with you some very valuable content, so that you can improve your WordPress website and achieve the utmost out of it. If you like this video, please do like and share this particular video, and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.